Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming credentials and enabling iCloud contacts. This is essential because recovery tools require an active sync history. Once signed into iCloud.com, go straight to Settings to check for recent backups and contact sync timestamps. Make sure two-factor prompts are approved on your device. If not, complete them now. Then open the Contacts app on iCloud.com. This is where you'll inspect whether deleted contacts remain in the account archive before moving to Restore options. Next, use iCloud's Restore Contacts feature under Account Settings to recover an earlier archive. This rewinds the server-side contact list to that snapshot. Choose an archive dated before the deletion, then confirm Restore. This merges restored items back into your current contact list. Once restored, export a vCard file as a local backup so you have an offline copy. If you're syncing multiple devices, allow time for propagation. Make sure Wi-Fi and iCloud Sync are active so changes reach each device. Finally, verify the restored contacts across your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Sync can take several minutes, so be patient and force a sync by toggling contacts off then on if needed. Once done, tidy duplicates and confirm primary account settings so new contacts save correctly. If contacts still don't appear, re-import the vCard you exported earlier or check Recently Deleted within 30 days. Key troubleshooting tip: if sync errors persist, sign out of iCloud on one device and sign back in to force a full resync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.